In one Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Of course, we have a special program, namely English discussion part of life, yeah, with English communities, of course, with Smart FM. With me, Radias Desaril Sam, or you can call me RD Sam, yeah, Smart viewers and listeners at home. And yeah, as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a special friend from a few communities of Makassar. Okay, let's go. Hi guys. How are you? Good, fine, pretty good. Okay, just use this. Okay. How are you guys? Once again.
Fine, fine,
Fine, you?
really good, really
Really,
excited.
really good, pretty good, excellent,
Very excited.
and etc. Okay, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite one by one our speakers to introduce their self, of course, to smart viewers and listeners at home. And I start from okay, you please introduce yourself. Who is your name? What is your study club or meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay. Oh, so first of all, thank you so much for
Mhm.
having me in here. So my name is Baso Heru Fadli. You might call me
Okay.
Baso.
Are you business?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
Buginese. And I'm the representative from Equinsa.
Mhm.
It's one of the English community in Goa. Yeah.
Okay, what about the schedule or the
Uh,
agenda?
yeah, the agenda. So we will have an English weekend, so anyone can join that English
Okay.
weekend. So like literally anyone. And then we have class for a newbie. A newbie is a new member for Equinsa.
Mm-hmm.
So that they can have the class of the the basic English, And then we have a committee class. So the
Okay.
committee we prepare the committee to teaching the newbie.
Oh,
Mm.
wow,
Just
like
like that.
regeneration.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
and also the next agenda is we are ready to open recruitment
Oh, wow.
next month, hopefully. Yeah. So
Okay.
for those who want to, join in our community, we are
Mhm.
open to the college students, especially.
Okay, you
Yeah.
may ask. like you may mention your Instagram, please.
Oh yeah, for more information, you can visit in my community Instagram. They call Equinsa. Yeah, just ask anything in the Instagram.
Okay, thank you, Baso from Equinsa.
Okay, thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Okay, next, please. Okay, please introduce yourself. What is your name? What is your meeting club or study club? And whatever the schedule or agenda, please.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. My name is Agung Mursaling, and I'm from English Youth Community.
Okay.
And our community, we not just learn about English, but we also teach English to people.
Mhm.
And about our schedule, we have like a region called Kampung Binaan, and in holiday, we
Mhm.
usually go there to teach English or another knowledge to people or to children there, because most of them they don't have access to school.
Oh wow.
And another schedule we have like intensive meeting, and
Okay,
also
yeah.
like general meeting that not only for our community can join about that
Public.
meeting, yeah, but also public can join that meeting.
Okay.
And we usually
Where is
audit-
your conduct your meeting,
Yeah.
guys?
oh usually in just in campus.
Oh, campus. Okay. So for the more detailed information,
Okay, for more detailed information,
Yeah.
you can visit my community Instagram. Just search.
So, in the English community base, we are learning
Okay.
learning about public speaking and
Mhm.
confidence.
Mhm.
So we have to push the member base
Mhm.
to be confidence,
Mhm.
to be brave,
Mhm.
to public.
Mhm.
So that. So yeah, if more one information,
Yeah.
detailed information, just you can follow Instagram best, just like that.
Okay. Best and smart listeners and viewers at home may ask anything, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Syair.
Thank you.
Yeah. Syair like a song. Okay, next. What about you? Please introduce yourself. What is your meeting club or study club? And what about the agenda, please?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity to me. My name is Ismail. The name.
Dua singge, Ismail. Okay, kidding. Okay, please continue.
The community name is Meta Macha English Talk Assembly.
Yes.
We have several agenda.
Okay.
Before we start the agenda, we have game section.
Okay. But make it short, please. I mean, like, what about the intensive meeting or weekly meeting or something like that? What the day and where is the place?
The day, it's only Saturday.
Where there is the location?
It's Nomaden.
Oh, Nomaden. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Like people Nomaden.
Yeah,
Like
just like that.
Nomaden.
We have a discussion and until Zuhur, and after Zuhur, we have a debate.
Okay.
Yeah, debate session until 2 p.m.
Okay. So for more detailed information, just mention the Instagram, please, just for listeners.
The name is the Instagram is Macha Community. Yeah, and
Matcha.community.
no Macha Community.
Oh, no dot.
No dot.
Okay. Matcha community, please, and follow, and you may ask anything relate with the community, please. Okay, give big applause for us before. Thank you guys for your introduce yourself to smart listeners and of course viewers at home. Yeah. Okay. As I mentioned just now that I promised to spill our topic for this evening, of course, and yeah, our topic is very mind blowing because this is like overrated, like this is very unique, the unique things, because we will talking about like logic between logic and analogic. Yeah, we talking about deja vu phenomenon. Give it a plus. Deja vu, when we talking about deja vu, this is come from with how to say etymology, come from French language, right? Deja vu, and in bahasa when we translate to bahasa, sudah terlihat, yeah, something that we feel as we was ever feel, something like that, but we cannot explain in our logic because this is very very mind blowing, like unlogic, something like that. So that's why we will run a discussion by deja vu phenomenon topic. Okay, I would like to start from you. Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
How about topic? I think this topic is the very wow.
Wow.
Because deja vu. Hey,
Uh-huh.
every day I
Uh-huh.
deja vu for me.
Really?
Every time we see it, I think I can.
Are you sure? Really?
Yes, because I don't know what happened to me. But
Do you
but
have a
I-
sixth sense or seven sense?
I one day 7 times now.
Oh my God.
Yeah, deja vu. I think it's the very topic. It's the very good for
Mhm.
today,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, it's a very familiar for me. Also,
Okay.
very familiar.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, deja vu. I think can I deja vu? I explain deja vu. My opinion.
Yeah, of course. Time is yours.
Okay. Okay. I think my opinion on deja vu. Deja vu is like when you go to the new place,
Mm-hmm.
but you haven't before that. You haven't you don't know, but you feel like you haven't there before.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like that.
That's
So
my explanation before.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, deja vu, like you go into new place, but you feel like something is like I have here
Mhm.
before.
Mm-hmm.
So just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then yeah.
So this is very mind blowing.
yeah, this mind blowing.
Right?
Yeah, it's mind blowing.
Uh-huh.
And Mr. Iqbal say deja vu is the from French
Mm-hmm.
language deja vu. Yang
Mhm.
is spinning apa the in bahasa is sudah pernah terjadi.
Yeah.
So just
Yeah.
like that. But I think it's the familiar. So familiar is this topic today. So yeah, deja vu, just like that.
Okay,
Can
keep
I
your
say?
statement. I will be back to you.
Okay.
Okay, we would like to move to the another
Okay.
speaker. Okay, Baso from Equinsa, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Well, talking about deja vu, it's it's really an interesting topic because I've never hear before about this deja vu
Okay.
until I heard the song by Olivia Rodrigo they call
Ah.
Deja Vu.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever heard that song?
Yeah, that's
before?
my back song in my
Oh,
story
yes.
Instagram.
And then when I heard that song, I'm curious what the hell is deja vu meaning? And I'm searching on Google. Oh, deja vu is when you're experiencing something and you suddenly feel like you already experienced it before. That's what we call it, deja vu. So yeah, it's such an interesting topic because there's not a lot of scientists have proof on this because there's a lot of theory, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, such an interesting topic.
So
Tonight.
this is another level of topic,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, thank you. Baso, keep your statement.
Okay, thank you so much.
What about you, Ismail? Do you have a
Okay.
2 ringgit?
Ah,
2 singgit, sorry.
don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Ismail. Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Related about the topic, the mini deja vu. It's really really interesting for me because it's related about your mind, about what happening about in the past. Yeah,
In the past and in the future?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
something like that. And yeah, it's actually it's experience. It's a common experience, but it's
Mhm.
always it's difficult to explain this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it sounds like or seems like unlogic things.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
like that. And yeah,
Mm-hmm.
When-
I'm waiting your statement. Okay, come on.
yeah, yeah. And
Is this familiar in your mind? This term is familiar?
actually, it's familiar, but it's difficult to explain.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Because too unlogic, right? Okay, I give you chance to or time to thinking a lot of about this. Keep
Yeah.
your statement. I would like to move to another speaker. Okay, Agung, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay. I'm also agree to your speaker.
Yeah.
They said it's very good topic, interesting topic because deja vu is also common experience that many people ever experience it, but it's not fully understood. It's difficult to explain.
Yeah.
Because like based on what the other speaker already said that deja vu is deja vu is a feeling that we already experienced it before, but even though we think that we haven't experienced it, like
Yeah.
it's like our brain is tricking, like it's tricking us because our brain show us like something memory that feels familiar to us, but actually is a new things that we face it like now because there are also a lot of theory explain about this and also most of people related this deja vu to supernatural things
Yeah.
and also like
Which one is true? Supernatural or supranatural? Which one?
yeah
I'm
and
wondering.
and supernatural things.
No.
yeah.
I'm really wondering. Not
Yeah, it's-
to test you, not. But I'm
Yeah.
wondering which one is
Yes.
true, super
it's
or supra?
supernatural. It's not super.
Which one, guys? Okay. Uh-huh.
It's supernatural things,
Mhm.
and also like dimension things or multiverse things.
Wow.
Yeah, there's also like theory
Uh-huh.
about that.
Maybe we don't know. Just probably just like imagine maybe someday deja vu can realize in metaverse field. Who knows? Yeah. I mean like in bahasa kita nggak tahu apakah bisa dimanifestasikan, dihubungkan ke dalam bentuk bidang metaverse someday. We don't know. Who knows, right? In technology. Oh my god. Okay, I move to my second question. My second question is um okay, you. Okay, talking about deja vu, are you agree that all of people feel this phenomena in their life, a whole their life? I mean, is really all of people feel this phenomenon in their life, or not only random people, or what?
Ah.
If you agree, why? If you don't agree, why?
Mm. I think deja vu is, you know, it's an experience that anyone, I think 70 to 80% of the population of the world have experienced it. I can say that because I do a little bit research on that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think you know, in a certain age, you will often meet the deja vu.
Mhm.
For example, in the age 10 to 25, you will
Okay.
often, like me, I, you know, often get a deja vu
Mhm.
before, like in my vocational high school.
Okay.
This is the first time I got deja vu.
Mhm.
Of course, I don't know what is the meaning at that time.
Mhm.
I was like, oh my god, what is this feeling? I think I've been experienced this before,
Oh yeah.
but I don't know where. And I think, yeah, not only me experienced that. That's why we call it a phenomena, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm. So you think a dominant person, yes, dominant person feel this phenomenon in all of the world?
Yes.
Okay. In your approximation, like a 70%, 80%, something like that, right?
Around that.
Around it.
Around that.
Okay, thank you, Barso. Okay, you again. According to you, in your opinion, that is all of the people feel this, or just only by random people? And if you agree, why? And if you do not agree, why?
Like Barbaso said that
Mhm.
there is about 17 to 80%
Mhm.
people experience about this deja vu,
Mhm.
and I don't think it's not all of people experience it about
It's
this.
not.
Yeah, they're not.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
they're not
Mhm.
because I ever asked about my friends about this.
Mhm.
Have you ever feel deja vu? And he said
Before you came here.
yes, like
Okay.
yes,
You asked them.
yesterday. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and he said he never experienced about deja vu before. Yeah.
But you are.
Yes, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I ever like a couple times,
Okay, couple times. Wow.
and I think this deja vu might happen to like I ever read about this like
Mhm.
a stress people.
Maybe you've
Yes.
was ever feel you sit down here in this episode in this topic. Who knows?
No, no.
Uh-huh. Okay,
And-
continue please.
And also I ever read about there is some disease like
Okay.
epilepsy. I don't know about that, but is it's a brain things like neuron things that
Mhm.
can trigger this deja vu,
Okay.
but only for like teenage people like that.
Okay. So the old people not.
Uh,
only for
like-
only for teenagers.
I mean like most of the things.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see. I see. Thank you. Okay. What about you, Syair?
Okay.
Is really all of people feel this or not, and why?
Yes. Before I
You may
answer
using
that-
data or just prediction.
Okay.
Okay, both them.
Before I answer that, before I'm here, I'm research
Mhm.
about deja vu
Mhm.
phenomenon.
Mhm.
Yeah, deja vu phenomenon is when you 15 years old until 25 years old,
Mhm.
you have you feel deja vu.
Mhm.
So yeah, so I researched this. So wow, so you have until when you 15 years old until 25 years old, you have the Jafu, you feel the Jafu. So I think it's agree. The people,
all of
people have the Jafu,
okay.
feel the Jafu.
Okay.
But
your
but I think-
conclusion
yeah.
on reset.
Yeah, I researched in my Google
uh.
before here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, what about you, Mael? Is really all of people feel this, or just only random people, outside?
Actually,
And why?
Actually, I don't really know about that, but mostly all of people have ever feel the deja vu.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, include me
Mm-hmm.
because I've ever feel a deja vu when
You was
yeah
okay.
I've ever
Mm.
when I in junior high school.
Okay.
I went to the I went to the place.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, just hang out with my friend.
Mm-hmm.
But when we when I apa?
Do not hesitate to combine your language when you start to speak English.
when I
mm-hmm.
kayak sampai di ndak sengaja
Mm-hmm.
ndak sengaja
Mm-hmm.
Gak-
Field.
ya apa nggak sengaja dapat tempat yang the place.
Uh-huh.
I think I've ever gotten to this place, but
Okay.
yeah, but
Okay.
where I don't know.
You reach the place.
Yeah.
Yeah. You reach the place. You was there,
Yeah,
and you thinking that it is happening.
yeah, and
Mhm.
I saw the the person.
Yeah.
Nggak sengaja,
Mhm.
and I think, oh, I know this, but I know this.
But you cannot
I know this-
explain.
Yeah, I know this person, but
Uh-huh.
where I was first time meet,
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
So, but for me, it's agree. Because-
Okay.
yeah.
All of people will or was feel
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, my next question. So, do we have a break? Do we have a break? Okay, we continue our conversation. No break, guys. Okay. Yeah, my next question I want to ask Agung. Okay. Maybe you may tell the smart listeners and viewers at home some or special moment that you was felt this phenomena. Okay, come on.
Okay, I'll tell you about one moment that
Mm-hmm.
I ever feel about this phenomena, deja
Yeah.
vu. When I go to with my major friends,
Mm-hmm.
because my major hold like English camp,
Okay.
and that time like a fun night, like
Sorry?
when
Sorry, what do you say?
like the fun night
Oh, the fun night.
Fun night.
Okay.
that there are a lot of
It sounds
activity.
like Nike.
Yeah, night.
The fun night.
Night.
It's up. Okay.
Like there are a lot of activity
Mm-hmm.
because it's the last night
yeah.
we that English camp,
Mm-hmm.
and that moment there is a moment that my friends like create a line.
Oh,
So
yeah.
they create a line, and
Mhm.
that trigger my brain like, oh wait,
Oh my God, what is
I haven't
this?
seen this. Like my friend will create a line, and then they will together like make a circle,
Mm-hmm.
and I know, and there is one my friend wear a black shirt that
Mhm.
will lead this line.
Who are
And
they?
Yeah.
Who are
My
they?
friend, my friends.
Your
my friends.
friend.
Yeah. And yeah.
If your
the-
friends see us here in live streaming,
Yeah.
what do you want to say to them?
I I don't know that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but it's actually happened like next. Like Wait. And
okay.
that's triggered my DJ for like, wait, how can I know about this situation?
Yeah.
I've never.
This is unlogic.
Yeah,
Oh
it's-
my god.
Yeah. maybe
It's funny, interesting, or scary.
I'm really confused about that. Actually. How
Okay.
can this happen? Like
Hmm.
I'm overthinking about that.
Oh, you're overthinking until
Yes.
now.
Yeah.
Not really.
Not really.
Okay,
because
thank you
I
again.
I already learned about that.
Okay, what about you? Do you have a special moment that you felt a phenomena? Yeah, deja vu, this phenomena. Just tell to smart listeners and viewers at home.
Actually, I think it's very funny.
Mhm.
I feel deja vu when I in the public and
Mhm.
I smell in the
Durian?
people. Yeah.
Durian? Smell durian? Kidding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Durian, yeah. I smell other people
Mhm.
and the perfume.
Oh, yeah. Perfume?
I remember my ex.
Oh
like it-
my
in the
god!
romance, it gets in the romance.
I remember my
every
ex.
day, every day when
Uh-huh.
I go to in the public in the
Mhm.
when I smell the perfume,
Mhm.
the people, I think
You remember your ex?
yeah. So I think what happened? I don't know, but yeah, it's like that.
This is not deja vu. This is curhat.
yeah, it is so I think so funny.
Yeah,
They
that's
have in the romance.
yeah,
They have in
yeah,
the
yeah,
romance.
yeah, I see.
They have in the romance. So just like that. I don't know what happened to me.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like I think it's so funny. What happened to me? So just like that.
Check to the doctor.
Oh. okay.
Okay, do you want to
Okay.
continue your statement or you keep? You will
yeah,
keep.
It's like that.
Okay, you will
Yeah.
keep.
Yeah,
Okay,
you keep.
okay, keep your statement. We will continue. I will be back to you. Okay, Baso from Queens, please tell your story. Tell your deja vu phenomenon. Maybe one or some stories to smart
Yes.
listeners at home.
Okay, so I think it is the most memorable deja vu
Yeah,
that I ever got when I'm in the vacational high school. Or
the
because-
most,
Yes.
the most what?
The most, memorable.
Okay,
deja vu.
memorable. Uh-huh.
Yes. When I got in the vocational high school
Mhm.
or SMK, at that time I was sitting in front of my class eating, some cilok.
Cilok?
Yeah, cilok. or
Bandung food?
pentolan.
Cilok.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Eating cilok and seeing, the people in front of me playing football, playing volleyball, and it got me think that, oh, I think I've experienced this before, but
Yeah.
I don't know where or when that
Mhm.
happened. It really just got me thinking, what happened to me?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was like,
When you were there, did anyone using lato?
no, at that time there's no one using,
Okay.
lato.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the most memorable because I've never experienced deja vu before. Maybe
Okay.
that's the most memorable
Mm.
deja vu I've ever got. Yeah.
Mhm. So
So
that's memorable.
yes,
Uh-huh.
it's really memorable. I really at that time I don't know what is deja vu mean, but I know the feeling of it.
That was time, yeah. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Okay, Ismail. Ismail.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Tell your story to smart listeners at home. Maybe one or some stories about your deja vu feeling.
Deja vu, something memorable. I have no idea about that, but let
You
me.
may continue your story, your explanation about your
Okay,
deja
okay.
vu before.
Okay. And when I I don't know what the years. I went to the
Mm-hmm.
swimming pool
Okay.
with my friend, and
Swimming at the pool. Yeah?
E-
It's not swimming pool.
yeah, like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I saw the person.
Mhm.
I saw the person. It's like, oh, it's familiar about me. It's familiar that
Mhm.
that
Michael Jackson?
I don't
You
I don't know. I have
oh,
no idea.
No.
And it's a long time.
Mhm.
It's been a long time, and I told who, what's her? I don't know.
Woman.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's her?
Maybe your future wife?
Hopefully, hopefully.
Hopefully, your future absolutely very beauty, right?
I don't know because
Uh,
it's been a long time,
okay.
and I thought, what's her? When where I first time to saw her, I don't know, and it's the one of the
Maybe this is the deja vu.
one
Where
of the-
you really ever saw her.
yeah, I saw, but I don't know where I first time to meet her.
Mhm.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, in
So-
Gachuan, no.
No,
Sorry.
even I've never gotten the gacha one.
Okay.
I've never.
Mhm. Do not reply what they say. That is a brand. Come on.
But I just ate the gacha one, but I've never the place, the restaurant. I don't know. I've
Okay,
never.
okay. Give your statement. I would like to move to the next question. My next question is, what is benefit we felt? Do you have any idea about the benefit of deja vu? Is there any benefit, and why?
Well, for me actually, I don't know. Is there any benefit getting the deja vu except for making you confused? Of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know the benefit of deja vu.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, maybe the benefit is we are more thinking. We are curious. What happened to us. We want to know more about us. What happened when we got deja vu, like something like that. So I think that's it. A little bit of the benefit of deja vu.
There is no like spatial research or study about deja vu. Did you got about the benefit?
Well,
I didn't use a microphone. Okay, sorry. I reply my question. Did you got the data or research on Google about the benefit of deja vu?
the benefit of it. As I remember, I think I don't get any of the
You didn't
research.
get.
Yes.
Okay.
I think maybe,
Okay. Just predict, please. Your prediction on your own words, on your own analyzing.
Yeah, just like that. The benefit. I don't know.
You don't know really.
I don't know
about
really
it.
deja vu because this is really new for me.
Mm-hmm.
The term also I just knew it from the Oliver Rodrigo song at that time, and
Okay, semangka. Okay, I move to you, Ismail. Do you think when we feel deja vu is any benefit? I mean, like, what is the impact or result after we feel like this phenomenon?
Yeah, it's similar. It's same like Baso said. You
How you really remember his name? Yeah, because it's very easy. Yeah.
I don't know. We can thinking about the
Mhm.
deja vu. What the apa? Yeah, just like that lah. And as far as I know, one of the benefit you can share about your experience
Mhm.
among your friends or family or anyone.
Like getting new insight.
Yeah.
Something like that. When we felt this phenomenon, of course, absolutely, we have a new insight about universe.
Yeah.
ya kita mendapatkan insight baru tentang alam semesta.
Mm.
That this is a really happen to us,
Yeah.
but this is a very unlogic. But
Mm.
this happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And secara and unaware,
Mhm.
my friends can also share about his experience,
Yeah.
because it's not you're not only had your experience,
Mhm.
and yeah, just maybe
Maybe it's
your
you.
friend
Mhm.
got had the experience about deja vu.
Mhm.
We don't know.
Okay.
So I think this is the one of the benefit
Mhm.
for me.
Okay, but the most important is this is a new insight
Yeah.
for everyone to know this phenomena. Okay,
Yeah.
what about you? Um, did we or do we or will we uh, get or got benefit if we felt this phenomena?
I think yes.
Why?
Self satisfaction.
Sorry,
Self satisfaction is like that.
self satisfaction.
Yes, self satisfaction.
Uh-huh.
When you feel the vu,
Mm-hmm.
you have, I think, actually me, you feel self satisfaction,
Mm-hmm.
just like that. So I think it's the benefit.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that. It's my opinion. Just
What is the benefit, please? uh-huh.
the benefit? Just like you have you feel self satisfaction when you
Okay.
feel the vu.
Okay.
It's like yeah, I think
You
it's
have a story, you have experience, you have a
Yeah.
new insight,
yeah.
and you be aware about the things that happen in universe, right? Of course.
Yeah, I think yeah. It's
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. Give a applause for us. Okay. Okay. We move to the next question. Yeah. Okay. You know, deja vu is unlogic things, and until now, there is no absolute explanation about this theory. And how do you think, guys? How the scientists or researchers able to explain this? Bagaimana sih kenapa mereka itu sampai bisa menjelaskan hal ini? How do you think about that? Okay, you, Baso. What makes the researcher or scientist can explain this phenomena?
Okay, well, that is an interesting question
Mm-hmm.
because the scientists cannot, develop this phenomena
Mm-hmm.
because this phenomena just a random phenomena.
Yeah.
We cannot expect
Mhm.
when did this phenomena happen. I
Mhm.
think maybe that's the reason why the researcher, cannot develop this
Mhm.
phenomena. Yeah.
Any else? No.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Agung? According to you, actually, what is the causes of this phenomena? Apa sih penyebabnya sebetulnya, in your opinion? Or maybe what makes the researcher or scientist able to explain this phenomena?
I think about this phenomenon that relate with scientists.
Mhm.
Most of like what I have read about this deja vu, like
Okay.
related to scientists.
Mhm.
Scientists also still not cannot explain a lot of things about this deja vu, but
Mhm.
there are a lot of theories, and because like Brother Baso said, it's random phenomena things.
Mhm.
Yeah, but because if they want to wait, they want to have deja vu. They can wait like years or more because it's random things. But what I've ever read about this, like scientists have researchers they give like virtual reality things
Mhm.
to
Mhm.
a person,
Mhm.
like-
Augmented reality.
like virtual reality.
Virtual reality.
like
I think
VR things.
augmented, like you just using
No.
the glasses, sorry, and after that you see everything.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this is like a virtual
It's
reality.
close, right?
Yeah.
Sangat dekat seperti itu.
Yeah.
It's
So
close.
scientists show like a place,
Mm-hmm.
like some place, and after they show that place, they move that person to
Mhm.
another place that really familiar with this
Mhm.
in the reality,
Mhm.
virtual reality.
Mhm.
I think that's like how scientists like want to develop about this deja vu. They just like make
Maybe
Really
they
fantasy.
how to say they did unlimited experiment about this,
Yeah.
right? And that's why they make a hypothesis
Yeah,
or
hypothesis.
hypothesis, something like that,
Yes.
and of course put the new theory about this phenomenon.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe,
Only
maybe-
that.
Yeah. Maybe about that. Yeah.
Only that. Okay. Okay. What about you? What makes the scientist or researcher how to say create about this theory? Apa sih yang membuat mereka itu bisa menganalisa hal ini dan membuat teori? Do you get the point?
Yeah, I think the scientists, the research.
Mm-hmm.
Before I stay here, yeah, I shared the Google.
Okay.
Google.
On
Search
Google.
Google.
On Google.
Uh, the scientists meneliti deja vu
Uh-huh.
is overthinking. When you
Uh-huh.
overthinking, when
Maybe
you stress,
while using mosquito.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, continue.
yeah, when you overthinking,
Mhm.
stress,
Mm-hmm.
you have deja vu. You feel you
Okay. Okay.
I
I
mean,
see.
instantly you have deja vu.
Uh-huh,
So the scientists research when you overthinking, when you stress,
Mm-hmm.
when you
I think you're supposed to be, if you feel overthinking, stress, just healing, guys.
yeah, healing, yeah, healing, yeah.
Just healing to the mountain, to the sea, the ocean.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, this is not related with your statement.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Yeah, it's my statement. When you
Okay.
overthinking, when you
Mhm.
stress, you have deja vu. Feel
Mhm.
deja vu.
Oh wow.
The scientists, the research in on Google.
Wow, it's interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. What about you? What makes researcher or scientists found this phenomena? Apa sih yang membuat mereka menemukan fenomena ini?
Yeah. I would like to say probably because their experience.
Okay, they're
Yeah.
also experienced. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because they think
Mm-hmm.
they think
They think we are thinking.
yeah, like that.
Okay.
They was thinking
Mm-hmm.
why I got the deja vu.
Mm.
What the effect, what the effect, what the some positive and what some advantage, what the some the advantage.
Yeah.
And they research about that like apa sih yang membuat mereka kayak
Mm-hmm. Oh, their
Rem-
curiosity.
iya
They are super curiosity. That's why
Yeah.
they've how to say, they put a lot of experiments to found
Yeah.
this phenomenon.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe you just give your conclusion about our topic for this evening. What is your conclusion about deja vu phenomenon?
The deja vu phenomenon. Yeah.
Your conclusion, please.
Deja vu make our we can
Yeah.
like
Okay. Do not
remind
hesitate to put
remind about something what the benefit about apa ya kayak
saying in bahasa, please.
oke
In
Ya.
kesimpulan, conclusion.
Kita bisa kayak
Uh-huh.
we can know about their experience
Uh-huh.
what what can I learn
Mhm.
about this?
Mhm.
What the what the problem? What
Uh-huh.
the
Yeah,
what
that's the kesimpulan, and means that the whole the meaning of this phenomenon means that
yeah
also we can learn everything about this phenomenon, that
yeah
this is a very very really really happen in universe,
yeah
and
because
that's why we are sebagai makhluk, of course we are just like sangat-sangat kecil ya di hadapan pencipta, something like that ya.
yeah
Okay, thank you.
something like
Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, my conclusion.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, deja vu. We, the, I think the other people
Mm-hmm.
feel deja vu
Mm-hmm.
every day, but it doesn't care about
Mhm.
them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, deja vu is very familiar for
Mm-hmm.
our.
Okay.
So yeah, deja vu is very familiar. So
Mhm.
guys, don't yeah, don't
Don't overthinking.
don't
Don't be
over
give up.
yes, please don't overthinking, don't stress, because
Mhm.
if you stress and overthinking, really seriously, you have deja vu. Every, when you have deja vu every day in deja vu
Oh,
in the
so,
romance.
so this is the tips.
Yeah.
If you want to be Java, please stress. Okay.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Okay.
You have to have stress. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Keep your statement. Okay. Maybe guys, if we still have a time, just prepare your vocabularies. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay, my conclusion about this topic is this deja vu phenomena makes us think about how unique our brain, because
Oh,
wow. our brain can create
How
like
unique.
yeah, how
our
unique
brain.
our
Mhm.
brain, like
Mhm.
because our brains create like new situation, and then our brain turns that new situation into like a familiar thing to us.
Okay.
And
Mm.
this is also explain about how amazing about God's creation that
Mhm.
give it to us. Yeah, like that.
Okay, so the point is how unique our brains.
Yes.
Wow, that's excellent. Okay, what about you, Baso? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
So my conclusion about deja vu is, I would like to back to the definition first. It's
Mhm.
Franz Worth. Let's say deja vu is the meaning of already seen,
Yeah.
and yeah, if you got deja vu, guys, it's not a disease. It's not, it's not a nil.
Mhm.
It's an experience. There is nothing to do with your brain. It's not about that. Uh, and then there's a lot of theory on it. There is no, a really explanation on it, because all of in the researcher only explain the theory. There's approximately like 40 theory
Okay.
on that. So yeah, if you got deja vu, don't get confused. It's just a
Mhm.
natural thing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so just standing, just feel it and be happy. Okay, thank you, Baso. Thank you, guys, for coming. Thank you, Mile from Meta. Thank you, Shire from Blast. Thank you from UC, and thank you, Baso from Queen's. That's all our conversation, guys. Yeah, smart listeners and viewers at home. Of course, this is a very very insightful and very mind blowing. And don't forget always to watch and listen us. Yeah, on Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia, on special program English discussions part of your life with English community every Tuesday at 7 p.m. sharp. So we will be back next week. So bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.